Yes, good morning students. Today we will cover exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 sets. First question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First part, the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. It is well defined and yes, it is a set. Because ये well defined है तो it is a set. Second is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. It is not a set because it is not well defined. So it is not well defined and therefore it is not a set. ये well defined क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि 10 most talented writers of India सबके opinion में different होंगे. So it is not well defined. Third is a team of 11 best cricketed batsmen of the world. Again it is not a set because it is not well defined. The collection of all boys in your class, yes, it is a set. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100, again it is a set because it is well defined. A collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand, it is a set because it is well defined. The collection of all even integers, yes, again it is a set because it is well defined. The collection of questions in this chapter, well defined, it is a set. The collection of most dangerous animal of the world, it is not a set because it is not well defined. For everyone, the most dangerous animals are not same. So we have the confusion to include or exclude a particular animal in the collection. So this collection is not well defined. Second question देखते हैं. A set दिया है हमें 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. Belongs to or does not belongs to. So 5 blank A. 5 इस सेट में आता है, 5 is the element of this set, so 5 belongs to it. 8 does not belong to A. 0 does not belong to A. 4 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 10 does not belongs to A. जो एलिमेंट इस सेट के हैं वो सेट को बिलोंग करते हैं, जो नहीं है वो बिलोंग नहीं करते. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट इन रोस्टर फॉर्म. तो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म दी हुई है आपको और रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो हाउ विल राइट? थर्ड क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट. The question says that A is the set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 and less than 7. So when you write this set in roster form, being x an integer and greater than -3, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, less than 7. So 6 is the last integer, less than 7. Second part is x is a natural number less than 6. 6 से छोटा natural number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third part, x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So 2-digit natural number, sum of the digits is 8. So 1, 7, 0, 8 नहीं होगा because it will be a 1-digit number. So 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 8, 0. So these are the possibilities. Fourth part is set of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. 60 के divisors 2, 3, 5. These are the prime divisors of 60. Fifth, the set of the letters in the word trigonometry. T R I G O N. O रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. M E. T रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. R रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. Then Y. So we know in set no repeated element is written. Sixth is better. So B E T R. That was question number 3. Now let us do question number 4. Question number 4 says write the following set in set builder form. तो हमें set builder form में लिखना है और roster form में दे रखी है. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So how you will do this question? The set of all x is such that. इतना लिखने का क्या मतलब है? The set of all x is such that here x. यहाँ आपको x वो नंबर चाहिए, वो फॉर्मूला यहाँ लिखना है जिससे x की वैल्यू यही चारों वैल्यू आए. So we can write x is a multiple of 3. So we can write x 3n. n belong to natural number and n value is less than equal to 4. तो जब आप नेचुरल नंबर है तो 1 से स्टार्ट होगा. जब आप n को 1 डालेंगे तो x 3 आएगा, फिर 2 डालेंगे 6, 3 डालेंगे 9, 4 डालेंगे तो 12 और 4 से कम डालना है या इक्वल टू 4 और उससे कम नेचुरल नंबर 1 2 3 4. So we have 3 6 9 12. So this and this are same. ये सेट बिल्डर रिप्रेजेंटेशन है और ये रोस्टर फॉर्म है. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, the set of all x such that x is a multiple of 3, हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, एंड लेस देन 15, और यहाँ पॉजिटिव मल्टीपल ऑफ 3। तो पॉजिटिव मल्टीपल मींस फर्स्ट विल बी 3, 6, 9, 12 और 15 से लेस। ये 3n कैसे आया बता देता हूँ। वैसे तो दिख ही रहा है 3n वाला पैटर्न है, बट यू कैन सी दिस इज अ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम। तो एपी का फॉर्मूले में nth टर्म निकालने का आपको 10th क्लास में फॉर्मूला था a + n - 1d, a की वैल्यू 3, n - 1 d भी 3 है। सो इफ यू सॉल्व इट 3 + 3n - 3, सो यहां से आपको 3n मिल जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज 2, 4। तो इस तरह से आपको पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व करने हैं, स्क्वायर, क्यूब, इस टाइप से मल्टीपल्स हो सकते हैं, पावर्स हो सकती हैं। जैसे अब इसमें 2 की पावर्स हैं, 2, 2 का स्क्वायर, 2 का क्यूब, 2 की पावर 4, 2 की पावर 5। So x such that it is a set of all x such that x equals to 2 raised power n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 5. That means when we put here n 5, we get x as 32. This is the last element. First value is 2 raised power 1 and then 2, 3, 4. So we get these elements. Next part is 5, 25, 125, 625. Same. Here x is the powers of 5. So 5 raised power n belongs to natural number and n is less than equal to 4. अगर आप 5 लिखते हो तो फिर equal to नहीं आएगा. Next is 2, 4, 6 and so on. These are even integers, even positive integers collection. So you can write x is a positive even integer, or you can write x equals to 2n where n belongs to natural number. और इसमें रोकना नहीं है कहीं पर, because ये infinite set है तो हमने ये नहीं बताया n कहाँ पर है, तो इसका मतलब n infinite चलता रहेगा, 1, 2, 3, 4, तो यही आते रहेंगे. Next है 149. So if you carefully notice 149, these are the squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 100, 10 square. So here x represents the square, perfect square numbers. So x equals to n square, n belongs to natural number and the value of n is less than equal to 10. So that was question number 4. Now moving to question number 5. So question number 5 of first exercise, we have covered the concept of this chapter in our previous videos. From lecture 1 to lecture 6, we have covered the concepts in detail, theoretical concepts. Now we are going to do exercises, and we are here in exercise number 1.1, question number 5. First part, list the element of the following set. List the element means you have to write in the roster form, and we are given in the set builder form. So a set is given as the set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. So odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5 and so on. So this is the infinite set, the roster form with. B, second part. B is the set of x is an integer such that x is greater than -1 by 2. So -1 by 2, -1 by 2. Here it will be -1 by 2. इससे बड़ा integer 0. Next 1, 2, 3. It says less than 9 by 2. That means this is 4.5. So less than 4.5 is 4. So these are integers. Third part is the set of C, set of x such that x is an integer and xk is less than equal to 4. x integer और 4 से less or equal to है. तो अगर मैं x की वैल्यू 2 लेता हूँ तो 2 square is 4. इक्वल या लेस में से एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो रही है तो it will satisfy. 2 से ज्यादा लेंगे तो फिर बड़ा हो जाएगा 4 से, 2 से कम लेंगे इंटीजर 1 ट्रू, 0 लेंगे तो 0 is also less than 4. -1 भी ले सकते हो आप, -1 का स्क्वायर 1 which is also less than 4, और -2. -2 से छोटा लोगे -3, वो फिर 9 आ जाएगा, यहाँ बड़ा हो जाएगा. So this is the set. Fourth part, D. X is a letter of the word loyal, L-O-Y-A. L repeat नहीं करेंगे. Similarly आप बाकी पार्ट्स कर सकते हो. X is a month of year not having 31 days. So Feb, अप्रैल, इस टाइप से 5 मंथ आ जाएंगे जिनमें 31 डेज नहीं होते. X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. So K से पहले, precedes मतलब पहले. So K से पहले जितने भी consonant हैं, vowel छोड़ देना और जितने consonants हैं उनको लिख देना. That is the collection. 6 is match the following. First part is 1, 2, 3, 6. So first part 1, 2, 3, 6 किससे मैच करेगा? A से. X is the prime number, B से मैच करेगा. X is natural number and divisor of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6. This is first part. ये मैच करता है C option से, which is x is such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So 6 के divisors क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 6. Second part है 2, 3. प्राइम नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं. ये फर्स्ट से A से मैच कर रहा है. x such that x is prime, x belongs to prime number and divisor of 6. So 6 के divisor क्या है 2 और 6 2 और 3 and prime है ये. थर्ड MATH तो क्लियर सा पता लग रहा है मैथमेटिक्स, यानी कि थर्ड जो है D से मैच करेगा और फोर्थ 1 3 5 7 9 दे आर odd natural numbers less than equal to 10, so B से मैच करेगा. तो 6 हो गया. Now we'll do exercise 1.2. So exercise 1.2, first question, which of the following are examples of null set? First is set of odd natural number divisible by 2. There is no odd natural number which is divisible by 2, so it is a null set that represented by this symbol 5 or this way. Second part is the set of even prime number. There is a even prime number which is 2, so this is not a null set, this is not empty. Third, x is a natural number such that x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. तो 5 से छोटा और 7 से बड़ा ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं होता जो 5 से छोटा और 7 से बड़ा हो. कंडीशन एंड की है. एंड का मतलब क्या है? कंपल्सरी दोनों ट्रू होने चाहिए. सो हियर x is not possible, so this set is empty set. चाहे आप इसको ऐसा लिखिए या ऐसा लिखिए. So it is a null set, it is a null set, this is not a null set. Fourth is x is a point common to any two parallel lines. Two parallel lines, there is no point common between two parallel lines, so this is a null set. The collection of the point common to these two lines, there is no point which is common to these two lines, therefore the collection is a null collection. That means this is a null set. Second question, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Finite का मतलब जिनको count कर सके और infinite जो countable ना हो, uncountable. So finite में आपने ऐसे नहीं देखना कि large है या small है. 5 एलिमेंट है तो भी काउंटेबल है, 5 करोड़ है तो भी काउंटेबल है. इनफाइनाइट जो काउंट ना हो सके. अब सेकंड का फर्स्ट पार्ट आपको बताना है फाइनाइट है या इनफाइनाइट. द सेट ऑफ ऑल मंथ्स ऑफ अ ईयर, सो जन फेब मार्च इस टाइप से आप 12 मंथ्स लिख दो. दिस इज अ फाइनाइट कलेक्शन, 12 एलिमेंट्स है इसके अंदर. दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ फाइनाइट सेट. सिमिलरली बाकी पार्ट्स हैं जैसे 1 2 3. अब सेकंड पार्ट में है 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन. So 1 2 3 and so on means it is an infinite set of natural numbers. जब dot 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 आ जाए that means ये and so on चलेगा. अब ये कहाँ पर रुकेगा? कहीं भी नहीं, ये कहीं end नहीं होगा. It is an infinite set. तो आप इसके element count नहीं कर सकते. How many natural numbers are there? Infinite. Now 1 2 3 up to 100. 1 2 3 up to 100. So because last element is 100, so it is a finite set. Fourth part is the set of positive integers greater than 100. 100 से बड़े 101, 102 and so on. So ये end नहीं होंगे कभी भी. Infinite set. Next is the set of prime number less than 99. There are 25 prime numbers less than 99. Therefore this set is also a finite set. Third, state whether each of the following is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Third question, first part. Set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. How many lines you can draw? Infinite. So first is infinite. Second, set of letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Therefore the set is finite. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. 5 के कितने multiples होते हैं? There are infinite multiples of any number. 5 के multiples 5, 10, 15 and so on. So it is an infinite collection. Infinite set. Fourth is the set of animals living on the earth. Set of animals living on the earth is a finite set. At a time we can count the number of animals living on the earth. However large it may be, but it is a finite set. The set of circles passing through origin. So origin से कितने circle pass हो सकते हैं? You cannot count because suppose you say there are 25 crore circles which pass through origin. Still there are more circles which can be drawn that pass through origin. इसमें एक और circle add कर लो, तो that means ये कभी भी end नहीं होगा. This is not finite. So this will become infinite collection. Question 4. In the following state whether A equal to B. हमें बताना है कि ये दो सेट इक्वल है या नहीं. So we have to tell either two sets are equal or not. When two sets are equal, when their all elements are equal. So first set है और order element आगे पीछे लिखने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. A सेट है ABCD और B सेट है DCBA. तो ध्यान से देखो यही चार एलिमेंट इसमें है, ये चार इसमें है, बस आगे पीछे लिखे. So here all the elements are same, so A equal to B. Second part 4, 8, 12, 16. B है 8, 4, 16, 18. A is not equal to B in second part. Why? Because A set में 12 है और B में 12 नहीं है. However, इन दोनों में 4 एलिमेंट हैं, so they are equivalent but not equal. Third is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and B set is x is a positive even integer less than equal to 10. So 10 से छोटे और equal to positive even integer क्या हो गया? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these two are equal. Fourth part, x is a multiple of 10. So 10 के multiples 10, 20, 30 and so on. Another set given as 10, 15, 20 and so on. So this is definitely not equal because इस set में 15 नहीं है. Next, fifth, are the following pair of sets are equal? आपको बताना है ये set equal है या नहीं. First part, fifth question, A set दे रखा है आपको 2, 3 और B set दिया हुआ है the solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6. If you solve this equation and factorize it, you get x plus 3 into x plus 2 equals to 0. To solve it, we have x minus 3 minus 2. So B set is minus 3 minus 2. So clearly you can see A and B are not equal. इसमें minus 3 है, इसमें negative element नहीं है. So next part is x is the letter of the word follow. So F O L W. We don't repeat the element. Another set B. This set is A. B set is x is the letter of the word wolf. W O L F. So these are definitely equal sets. All elements are same and we don't care कि हम इसको आगे पीछे लिखें तो वो set same रहता है. Sixth, from the set given below select equal sets. तो A set दिया है हमें 2, 4, 8, 12. B set दिया है 1, 2, 3, 4. इस तरह से आपको सेट्स दे रखे तो A सेट देखो किसके इक्वल है 2, 4, 8, 12. ऐसा आगे कोई भी आपको सेट नहीं मिल रहा जो A के इक्वल हो. B 1, 2, 3, 4, D में 3, 1, 4, 2. So B सेट इक्वल्स टू D. एक तो ये हो गया. C सेट किसी के इक्वल नहीं है. D B के इक्वल हो गया. E सेट में -1 और 1 है और G में भी 1 और -1 है तो E इक्वल टू G. बस ये दो पॉसिबिलिटीज थी, बाकी सब में कोई भी इक्वल नहीं है. That is our exercise 1.2. So we have done 1.1 and 1.2. In next video we will cover 1.3 and 1.4.